Hello class, today is Monday, September 28th, and our lesson for science will be on forms of energy. Please have your science journal ready. Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. We will learn about the 5 forms of energy using the strategy MELTS. Today's objective is for you to learn about the different forms of energy and the strategy MELTS. You will have independent practice at the end of this lesson, and you will also make sure to complete your exit ticket, and all of this will be through forms. Today's key points are: there are different types of energy, including mechanical, light, thermal, electrical, and sound energy. We can use the different types of energy in our everyday life. You will be recording the anchor chart MELT in your science journal. Please have it ready. M stands for mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is energy from movement. Real-world examples. We can see the roller coaster is using mechanical energy to entertain people. The fan uses electrical energy to produce mechanical energy. The movement of the blades, the mechanical energy creates the wind or the air. The hydroelectric dam, it uses the movement of the water, which is mechanical energy, to produce electrical energy, electricity. E, electrical energy. This is energy that comes from moving electrons. Remember that the electrons comes from the negative terminal of the battery. Some of the real-world examples are charging an iPad or a phone. It uses the electrical energy so it can power those tools. Same thing for the computer. It needs electrical energy in order to make the computer work. Pencil sharpener. In order to sharpen pencil, specifically this example is the electrical pencil sharpener, like the one we had in class. It uses this electrical energy to produce mechanical energy to sharpen our pencils. L, light energy. Energy that we can see. Real-world examples. Flashlight. We can use the flashlight so it can give us light energy and we can see in the darkness. Same thing for the light bulb. If I turn on the light bulb, the light energy will let me see. TV, we're able to see an image because of the light energy. T, thermal energy. This is energy from heat. Real-world examples. We have the oven. It uses the thermal energy to bake pizzas, bake cakes. We also have the bonfire or just fire. Fire uses the thermal energy to cook. If you're out in the woods, you can make something like the s'mores. You can make a hot dog using the thermal energy. Or if you put something on the stove, you can use the thermal energy to cook. Sound energy. This is energy from vibrations. These vibrations we can hear. The real-world examples are a person playing the guitar. We can hear the music because it is sound energy. Those vibrations travel to our ears. Speakers. The tuning fork, we used it in class as well. It makes that sound, that noise. If we put it in the water, we're able to see the vibrations in the water because sound energy is energy from vibrations. Pause the video and record this anchor chart on your science journal. This will be on page 19. Now let's practice. I will use the following terminology for our practice. When I say the word use, that is the source of energy. The energy the item needs to work. For example, the flashlight uses batteries or electrical energy to work. The other word will be produce. Produce is the energy that comes out. For example, the flashlight produces or makes light energy when it's turned on. Let's say we have a laser. The energy that this laser uses in order to work will be electrical energy because it uses batteries, and without the batteries, it's not going to work. The energy that is being produced is the light energy. Now you try it. Pause the video and write down the T-chart with your answer. Hair dryer, what energy is it used? What energy is produced by the hair dryer? The energy required for the hair dryer is the electrical energy. And I know this because it needs to be plugged in order to work. The energy that it uses is the electrical energy. The energy that it produces, the energy that it makes. Well, what is the hair dryer used for? I know that the hair dryer is used to blow air and dry the hair. Therefore, the energy that it produces is mechanical energy to make the air that will dry the hair. Now compare with your answers. Let's try another one. Pause the video and write down the T-chart with your answers of the energy the television uses and the energy the television produces. In order for the television to work, it uses electrical energy. How do I know this? If I don't connect the television to the wall, it will not turn on at all. So it needs electrical energy in order to work. Once it's plugged in, what energy does it produce? What energy does it make? Well, the television is mainly used to watch a movie or a series. The energy that it produces is light energy. I also know that it creates and produces sound energy. That will be a secondary type of energy that it produces. The main type of energy it produces will be light because the TV is used to watch a movie. Remember that we can use different forms of energy in our daily life. We can use melt in order to remember the 5 different forms of energy: mechanical, electrical, light, thermal, and sound energy. Your next steps are: number 1, watch the extension videos that are provided in the channel already. Number 2, complete your independent practice, Introduction to MELTs. And number 3, make sure to complete your exit ticket called Introduction to MELT as well. See you tomorrow.